Hope my uh, microphone's working. I think it is. All right. All right. All right, guys. We're fixing to go live on Facebook here in just about 4 minutes. So it's 11:56 a.m. But I'm going live at 12. I'm going live earlier than normal, but that's because we got weather coming in. It looks like we've already got one person watching, which I'll have the comments on my phone. So we'll see. Guys, needs to refrain from sending me messages. I know I'm getting messages right now. Hold on. Sorry, I'm having to mute messages so that way they don't go through while I'm on the live. So, guys, give me a minute. All right, guys, I think we should be good to go, and we're fixing to go live here in just a minute. So let me get. Yep. Going live now. So here we go, guys. All right, guys, I am live on YouTube. I am live on YouTube right now and Facebook with a weather update. Let me share this video, and then we're going to get right into what's going on with the weather. So let me share this as quickly as possible because we need to get to the important stuff. If you guys, I'm gonna pull up the YouTube comments, and I'm gonna be going back and forth between YouTube and Facebook comments on my phone. And I'm just gonna let people know that watching on Facebook and YouTube. For the ones that's watching on the YouTube side, I've got comments on slow mo where I can see it, where I can see it. And for the ones on Facebook, you are gonna have to wait a few minutes. So if you guys are already commenting stuff now, I can't see it right now because I'm watching the YouTube chat right now. But I'll get to the Facebook ones eventually. All right, guys. All right, guys. We're gonna get started with the weather update now. So it looks like right now we got rain and thunder. Oh man, I'm gonna put this in pause when it gets to the current time. That or we just had a radar issue because that keeps disappearing. Give me a minute. And now. So it shows right now we got rain across. There's nothing around Litchfield. But we go over here across southern parts of Taylor County, Greene County, Metcalfe County, Adair County, Cumberland County. There's rain. There's heavy rain across those. But then if you look over toward Richmond, up to Lexington, Cincinnati, Nicholsville, and almost heading into Maysville, there's a line of thunderstorms that's moving through. That is not the severe stuff that we're going to worry about that's coming in tonight. That's the first round. The second round is the one that's going to be severe that's coming in tonight. And I do want to let everybody know that all the weather spotters are doing a conference call with both the National Weather Service, both in Paducah and Louisville, Kentucky, right now. So whenever the National Weather Service gets done with that, then I'm gonna post. The what they're saying when they get it posted on Facebook, on both the group and my Facebook. So we're gonna look at the current temperatures outside right now. Sorry guys, ignore that. I just sneezed. Sorry about that. So ignore it. Sorry about that. Ignore that. My allergies been bothering me the last few days. But anyway, current temperatures outside, we are definitely in the 60s and 70s. Actually 70s because it's 75 down in Bowling Green. We got a 71 in Fort Knox as well as E-Town. Metro Louisville's at 72 degrees. Owensboro 75 degrees there in Davis County, 76 in Henderson, 74 in Clarksville, Tennessee, and Hopkinsville, Kentucky, and Fort Campbell. 75 in Clarksville, Tennessee. Then we got a 70 degrees in Barron County, there in Glasgow. And also we have an 80 degree down in Metro Nashville, Tennessee. We're going to go back to radar. We're going to go back to radar, and we're going to see what's going on across the United States and see what's going to be coming our way. So we're going to let this load in. So what we're looking at right now is there's nothing that's popped up yet as far as storms that's coming. The storm that you're seeing right now on radar is what went through this morning. So what you're seeing right now that's going across the area, this is from this morning. All right. So that's that. Now we're gonna go to the National Weather Service page. They are going to probably change They are probably going to update things here in just about an hour. So I should have probably done this about should have waited an hour to do this, but it was the time and place where I felt like I needed to do a weather update because I feel like that's just probably best if I do that. So so we look into the National Weather Service charts, and it looks like what they're saying with the Tuesday severe weather outlook. Here's the threats that's coming, and I'm gonna read everything to you. Multiple rounds of strong to severe thunderstorms will be possible today, starting this afternoon and continuing into the overnight hours. All severe weather hazards are possible, including very large hail, up to 2 inches in diameter, and tornadoes. An isolated strong tornado cannot be ruled out. Okay, changed it, but I think it's mainly for the level 3 enhanced risk areas. So tornadoes are definitely on the table. So we're going to look at the threats. We're going to save the tornado for last because it's the worst. We're going to go from least to greatest threat. So flooding is between low and medium. Wednesday. We'll talk about Wednesday in just a minute. Wind is between medium and high. Hail is between medium and high. The tornado threat is medium. Now we're going to look at the severe weather hazards and the probabilities. The hail probability is golf ball size or larger. Will do damage to vehicles, homes, property, significant agriculture damage possible, injury to the caught outside. See, where the greatest hail threat is the hatched area. And yes, us in Litchfield are in it. So that's the hatched area. Wind probability, just about everybody's in the wind probability. Potential impacts, tree damage likely, power damage possible, even power outages are possible. Minor single damage possible, outdoor furniture and loose object blown around, crop damage possible. And then the tornado probability, the brown is the lowest one we have. And then the yellow area is the tornado probability, and yes, Litchfield is in it. And it goes from Litchfield all the way up to Louisville and on into the other states. Property damage or destruction is what they have on the table. And guys, when tornadoes develop at nighttime, it's kind of hard to confirm. So guys, I'm just going to tell you guys, because this is going to happen at nighttime, take all warnings serious. take all warnings serious, especially at nighttime. And I do want to say this now. Not everybody is near a tornado siren. That's why you need to have weather radios on and on alert mode, and your phone wireless alerts on as well. The wireless alerts on your phone only goes off for tornado warnings and tornado emergencies. If they ever go off for a severe thunderstorm warning, that's only if it's a destructive severe thunderstorm warning. Now we're going to go on into Wednesday, severe weather outlook, and let's look at the main threats. We're in just about everybody's in the level 3 now, which is enhanced risk, while the level 2 remains to our southeast. We're in a level 3 enhanced risk. I'm going to read this also. Scattered severe storms are possible Wednesday afternoon and be capable of tornadoes of very large hail, damaging winds, even strong tornadoes are on the table. And when they talk about strong tornadoes, EF2 or greater. Additional storms, possibly in the form of a squall line, are expected Wednesday night, with all hazards on the table. That's not good. Squall lines just make it even worse. Now we're going to look at threats for Wednesday. And this updated at 5:29 a.m. this morning. Minor local flooding may become an issue after repeated rounds of storms. So we got to also worry about flooding too. Flooding is between low and medium. Wind is between medium and high. Hail is high, and tornado is high. Which I think the wind needs to be high as well. No, wait a minute, I misspoke. Wind is in the category. Because if wind is in the high category, then tornadoes in the high category. Now we're going to look at Wednesday's severe weather stuff. The hail probability, everybody in red, yes, there's going to be a lot of hail. And it's going to be golf ball size hail or larger. And it says the same thing that I read earlier for Tuesday's outlook. Wind probability, red, it's going to be up to 70 mile per hour wind gusts. So you get 70 mile per hour wind gusts and you get put under a severe thunderstorm warning, that's called a considerable severe thunderstorm warning. So if there's any severe thunderstorm warnings that comes out tomorrow and they have 70 mile per hour wind gusts, that is called a considerable severe thunderstorm warnings. Severe thunderstorm warning. And then we have the tornado probability. The green is the lowest. The brown is somewhere in the middle, and then we got brown is somewhat kind of low, and then yellow is tornado probability. The yellow in the tornado probability is the greatest chance of tornado for tomorrow. But if you ever get red, it's worse. So yeah, that's what's definitely on the table for tomorrow. And while we're on the subject of warnings, because I did review tornado warnings in a post during literally about a week ago, 2 weeks ago. Now I want to talk about the difference between severe thunderstorm warnings while I'm on the live. A baseline severe thunderstorm warning is 60 miles per hour wind gust and hail, or just hail. So it's basically like a regular severe thunderstorm warning. If you ever get a considerable severe thunderstorm warning, which a lot of people probably will tomorrow, is 70 mile per hour gust and also hail. And sometimes and tornado tags. If you ever get a severe thunderstorm warning, It is 80-mile-per-hour winds and above, and tornado possible tags, and hail. So if you ever get put under a destructive severe thunderstorm warning, it will trigger the wireless alerts on your phone. It will trigger the wireless alerts on your phone, and sometimes tornado sirens can go off for destructive severe thunderstorm warnings because 80-mile-per-hour straight line winds is just as bad as an as an EF0 and E1 tornado. All right. Now that I got done explaining that, we're gonna go to. Nope, nope. I need the National Weather Service back. I just skipped something. Hold on a minute, guys. I just made a boo boo. Let me get back into the National Weather Service. We need to look at the graphic charts. Okay, never mind. I ain't got time to do. I ain't got time to look at the graphic charts. We're just gonna mostly focus on severe weather. So it says we need to mainly focus on severe weather. Forget the graphics. So it says today's weather is cloudy and warmer with a strong thunderstorm. Storms flooding, damaging winds, and even a tornado. High of 82 degrees. Tonight, capable of heavy thunderstorms this evening. Otherwise, mostly cloudy, warm, and humid. Storms can bring flash flooding, damaging winds, and even a tornado with a low of 65 degrees. Current conditions outside here in Litchfield is 76 degrees with a real feel of 84. Wind south southwest 6 miles an hour. And they're under fair skies. Looking ahead, thunderstorms some severe tomorrow afternoon through tomorrow evening. Storms can bring hail and damaging winds. They don't have it listed on there, but it's gonna bring tornadoes too. So we're gonna look at the hourly forecast. We're gonna look at the hourly forecast. So at 1 p.m. it's gonna be 80 degrees under cloudy skies. 2 p.m. 82 degrees under cloudy skies. 3 p.m. 81 degrees under cloudy skies. 4 p.m. same thing. 5 p.m. we're gonna be in the 70s all the way up to 8 p.m. with thunderstorms at 7 p.m. and 8 p.m. 9 p.m. cloudy fair skies, 10 p.m. fair skies, 11 p.m. fair skies, and midnight fair skies. That's with 71 degrees. Now we're going to look at tomorrow's forecast. Tomorrow it's going to be a high of 82 degrees, low of 65 degrees, a heavy thunderstorm in the evening. Thursday, high of 76 degrees, low of 48 degrees, a shower and thunderstorm. Friday, a high of 65 degrees, low of 47 degrees, cooler with cloud and sun under partly cloudy skies. And that's for Friday. Saturday, a high of 69 degrees, low of 49, breezy in the morning, but mainly clear. Sunday, a high of 68 degrees, low of 47 degrees, times of clouds and sun under clear skies. Monday, a high of 74 degrees, low of 56 degrees, with partly sunny, clear to partly cloudy. And then for next Tuesday, increasing clouds, a high of 69 degrees, low of 59 degrees, cloudy with rain late that evening. So let me look at comments on Facebook right now, and I'm going to have to answer them quickly because I'm going to have to get off here. I'm running out of time. I'm going to have to answer really quickly. So let me switch over to Facebook really fast. So yeah, I'm kind of running out of time because I've been talking about severe weather, but it's whatever. Okay, so there's no comments on Facebook and there's no comments on YouTube. So what we're going to do, guys, is I'm going to go ahead and get off here. And because there's severe weather coming in today, tonight, and tomorrow, if severe weather coverage is needed, I will be live on Facebook and YouTube. Thank you guys for watching. And if severe weather coverage is needed, I will see you guys later. Thank you guys for watching.